All you know is all a lie, all caught up in paradise.
Allora ciao. Ne abbiamo anche perso uno, sta ancora dormendo. Okay. Buongiorno. Ciao, tutto a posto? Alla grande.
Keep out all its worth. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been, and it's getting old. All you do is all routine, a careful schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is bury your head, you know you might as well be dead. But once you find the good, you'll learn to take the bad when it's your turn. All along you thought that you were off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool. It's getting old. Thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old.
Anche questa è andata, questi sono i personaggi e queste sono le moto. Il nostro caro amico Lele da Domus Novas.
Cosa fa Riviero Angela?
Doriano da Sant'Adi con la sua Ducati. Proseguiamo. Sempre Sant'Adeso, ma su un'onda. Più o meno? Santa di Fiore, ormai qua siamo monopolizzati. E questo non lo conosciamo.
E questo è Nando!
Con la roia.